If you're looking for the largest oven and the highest output burner and induction range, then the LG LSE4616ST could be a consideration. In this video, you'll learn about LG's best features and see how it compares to its main competition, GE, KitchenAid, and Samsung. Let's begin. First, LG is the largest oven you can buy. At 6.3 cubic foot, it is a full cubic foot bigger than GE and more than 10% larger than the others. You also have the highest output induction burner at 4,000 watts. They're actually tied with KitchenAid, and GE's next closest at 3,700 watts, while most other brands are far less. Like many ranges, it is Wi-Fi enabled as well, so you can turn the range on or off and adjust temperature right from an app on your phone. So you're buying this range really for size, power, as well as availability. LG has been one of the most consistent suppliers throughout the pandemic. However, you can buy better features in different brands. GE has their air frying feature to crisp foods without using oil. What's interesting is LG was amongst the first with air fry. They even have air fry on their more basic electric ranges, just not this more expensive one. GE's Wi-Fi experience is excellent with Chef Connect, so you can tie in recipes as well. GE has a nice array of burners, but a smaller oven size at 5.3 cubic feet. Samsung has similar features to LG with Wi-Fi. They add a warming drawer below and are a couple $100 less than the LG, albeit with the smaller oven and lower output burner. KitchenAid is similar to LG with a large oven. LG is the largest oven, while KitchenAid has more capacity at 7 cubic foot when you add the baking drawer below. They also have two power burners at 4,000 and 3,600, but have basic controls and no Wi-Fi. It's also more than $500 more than the LG. KitchenAid and GE have their own service and should be considered if you're buying from a stove without service or technical support. I think it should be considered, but it has decent size and output, but maybe lacking features you may like, such as air frying and a better Wi-Fi experience. Its best feature is its oven size and then availability, and unlike most brands, can be reasonably packaged with other appliances for a matching suite. Click the link in the description below to download a free induction buying guide. And to learn more about popular units and in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.